Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Well, today I have a Mako lock, and this is my first one. Can't wait to see if I can get into this on camera. And to me, it feels like, shit, there's a scratch in it. Deep one. Huh. Oh well. What can I do? Well, let's see if I can get into it. Feels a little heavier than a American lock. So far the insides kind of feel like one. Feels like the core moves around a little bit more. You're gonna have to let it do its thing. Because if you put too much tension out of an idea, you're not gonna get it open. So far I've got a few pins going on in there. Trying to keep very light tension on it. I know I've seen somebody pick this on camera, but I can't remember what's inside of it, what kind of pins. So I'm kind of looking forward to opening it up. I received this yesterday in the mail and opened the package when I got in the house. I couldn't remember what it was. So now this one feels a lot different. Feels like the pins are setting, but then they fall back out again. So it's a little bit different. Okay, gave a little bit more tension just to see what would happen. In the back I felt one set pretty good. That was number 6. I'm looking at the key, the bitting on the key here. Whoops. It's a 153342, so that's not bad. 1 and a 5, deep long cut there, and a 4 and a 2 in the very back. Like I've got another little click out of 5. Garbage trucks out there shaking the whole house. This one is a different feel, guys. Might have that tension wrench too close. I think that's what's going on. I wonder if I got one set. Let's see what's going on here. Oh shoot, I had it open. Ah, that's too funny. That's one thing about these locks, you know, they're just like an American this lock sure looks scratched up for being a new lock. It's weird. It's got nicks and junk all over it. Huh. Well, maybe that's just a... Maybe they don't... It was in this box in that bag that should protect it. I don't know, guys. Okay, let's see what's in there. Oh, wow. Okay, got an Allen wrench, I hope, in here. Open this thing up. I do. Goodness, it's not out there in the van. Okay. Oh, dumping out. I don't know what size that is. Maybe it's a 764. Let's try that one. That's it. And it is tight. Gotta get some help here. And that broke it loose. Isn't that a pretty tray? Hair all over it. What's going on? Okay. Well, Chris, I must got my mojo back. Told him told him I couldn't pick squat for a while. That's a long screw in there. It's got the bypass protection. I like to see that in there. And I'll show you the inside. Hopefully, I'm always pointing the wrong direction. Grief girdle. Okay. I think you get the picture. I hope. Okay. Here's the clip. What do we got here? Okay, that don't look too bad. Get off. I don't guess I was prepared here. Sorry about that, guys. I see my goat. Oh, damn it. There's a goat wrench. Let's try this. Doesn't seem to be the right size. That's not the right size. Yeah, gotta put my other glasses on. Can't see anything. Well, I have the worst luck with these things. Shoot. Yeah. I always end up with my screwdrivers. go. That's why I don't have very good fingernails. I use them for everything. Okay, and look, it's been marked on the front. That almost, I wonder if this has been I bought this from eBay. I bet you that's the whole thing. Somebody else has had this before me, because they've marked the front of this thing. That's why this is so scratched up. I'll be darned. And I'm going to go back and look, but I'm positive they said it was brand new, so they told me a whopper. Okay, now I need, I probably don't need a shim, but I don't know about these Makos. It's the first one I've ever had. I wonder who sold this to me then. Okay, I'm gonna try out. Whoa. I tell you. Here we go. I don't know much about these locks, so I see red on top, so I don't know if they have colored pins or not. This is a used lock, and they said it was new. That sucks. That's what I get for going to eBay. Maybe I should have went to the manufacturer. Okay. I've never seen manufacturer ever mark the front of the Bible, ever. So, yeah, it's kind of disappointing. And we'll start from the front. I noticed that the springs aren't very strong at all. The pins don't even hardly move. Okay, the last one is a standard. Come on now, get out of there. Wow. Wait till you see the spring in the back. Now, guys, some of you guys that have bought these locks new, tell me, is the last one a spring like that? I don't see where they would change the last spring. That is odd. Okay. There we go. I've got to show you this. Bobby Keys, I love my tray and my follower and all that good stuff. Thank you, sir, again for such a wonderful job. Okay, guys, here's the Mako. Let me zoom in. Let's see if I can tilt this down a little. And the world's worst comes to filming. Guess I'll have to back out a tad. But I want you guys, maybe I'll hold it up. I want you guys to see this last spring, number 6. It's a great big spring compared to all the other springs. What's up with that? Oh. Anyways, so we got a serrated pin in number 1, a spool in 2, 3 serrated, a spool in 4, number 5 is spool, and number 6 is standard with a giant spring. Down here, key pin, number 1 is standard, number 2 has 2 deep serrations, number 3 has 2 deep ones with red in the middle. And this 5th one has 2 deep serrations, and number 6 is standard. So there you go. That's supposed to be my new Mako out of the box. Baloney. Not real. It's not new. Scratches all over it. I want to show you the scratches. Deep scratches too. Right here. Oops. I can get it to focus. There's a couple of deep ones right here, here. Great big one going down the front. Right here. Nicks all over it. Scratches all over the back. Oh, my hair. This is a used lock. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you like what you saw. Have a good week. Bye-bye.